Everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make invite link for Discord server. To create an invite link for your Discord server, follow the steps. Step 1. You need to access server settings. By opening your Discord server, click on the server name at the top left corner and select server settings from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to invite. Invite can be found in the left sidebar. After clicking on invite, you click the create invite button. Now you can customize your invite settings. This is optional. You can customize it by setting how long the invite will be valid. It can be 1 hour, 1 day, or never. Then you can also limit the number of times the link can be used. You can also choose which roles or members can use this invite. You can also specify which channels new members can access it initially. So once you're through, copy the invite link. Once you've adjusted the settings, click Create Invite. The invite link will be generated and then you click Copy to save it to your clipboard. Paste the link wherever you want to share it. It could be a direct message, social media, or website. It's as simple as that. Here are some additional tips. If you have server hosts, you can create custom memorable invite links. You can also create invites that lead directly to specific channels within your server, using channel-specific invites. If you need to stop an invite from working, you can revoke it in the invite section of your server settings. By following these steps, you can easily create and share invite links to your Discord server, allowing others to join your community. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for